Welcome to PupQuest. An adventure awaits you and your trusted pup in the Point Pleasant Forest. Chaos always awakens our society's heroes, and in this case, they were 5 brave canines. Weekly, join Alfred, Rocky, Daisy, Milo, and Luna on their quest for time to restore the Federal Treat Reserve. You can join your pup and our heroes on a thrilling quest to reclaim the stolen treat treasure within Point Pleasant Forest. With Dogal maps, you'll track the hidden chests using real-time navigation. Once you discover a treasure, simply scan the QR code found inside the chest. This will inform Alfred and his future dwelling gang where and when to collect the treasure. Reward your pet's special nose powers and collect a finder's fee reward from each marked chest. You, the human, will need to solve cunning riddles that guard the knowledge of a 5th bonus treasure chest, waiting to be discovered by the clever and the intrepid. Come, my friend, and embark on this whimsical journey. Let the echoes of adventure and the promises of reward inspire you to action. The time has come to claim your place in this grand tale. Begin your adventure now,